Hey guys, this is Mohit here and Manmohit shooting this video and helping me back again with another video. Now the reason I'm here today is because it's weekend for me. I'm a bit free today. I wanna spend some time with my plants. It's early morning and a very bright sunny day as you can see in Adelaide. So it's a perfect day to do gardening. Now this video will consist of care tips and how to multiply your plant. Now which plant am I talking about? It's Kalanchoe or Kalanchoe, okay? But before I move on, if you are looking forward to more information about different plants, indoor and outdoor plants, and how to take care of them, and different related information, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates, because guess what? I will be coming up with a lot of information about plants. This is the plant I'm talking about. Now, can you see the flowers in this plant? Okay. Basically, Kalanchoe is a succulent. Okay. Now, I have two different color plants in this, but right now only the white flowers have bloomed. So you will feel that this is all white Kalanchoe, but actually, if you see, this is a different plant. This one is a red one. I always have this hobby that what I do is I mix two different color flowers. Plants, and I put them in one pot so that half of them is white and half is red, and it looks very beautiful. Now let's get to the care tips of Kalanchoe. Now if you see the leaves of this plants, they're very thick and they're very glossy. Okay, so that means the leaves of Kalanchoe have the tendency to store water in them. So these plants require a very less quantity of water. I water them once in 15 days. Okay, do not water them a lot. And as you can see, I kept them over here, so I keep them at the window where they can get bright sunlight, not the direct one. If you want a lot of flowers like I have a look. Okay, if you want a lot of flowers, do not keep them in direct sunlight. Otherwise, can you see this burn part? Okay, the reason this is because I thought a couple of months ago that if I keep them in sun they will bloom more, but that was not the case. Actually it started burning. So do not keep them in direct sunlight, keep them in indirect light. Like my room, if you can see, if you can look at my plants, they all are getting light right now. There is so much sunshine in my room, but they are not getting the direct sunlight. So that's how my plants are so green and healthy. Okay, these are very tough and hard plants. Okay, you can grow them very easily. You do not need to take care of them, and they are succulents. Succulents means they grow in deserts. Okay, now nobody's gonna water them in deserts and nobody's gonna take care of them in the desert. So you have to understand that if you are a lazy person, you like plants but you don't have time, or you're a bit lazy, you don't want to take care of your plants, get these. They are very tough plants. Okay, now the reason I like succulent is, can you see it's a bit bushy plant? How did it get bushy? I just had a small stick of succulent. And how did I plant this succulent? I did not buy it, I got the cutting. Now what I'll do is I'll show you something. Can you see this? If Manmohit, you could just, yeah, can you see this grown up leaf? Okay, now what I will do is I'll show you. If I just pluck this leaf out, now can you see I have just plucked this leaf out. Even if I plant this leaf, it will grow into a succulent plant. You do not need roots. I'll show you something. I have another succulent. Okay, this is also a succulent. Now can you see what I've done here? I had two leaves and they just got separated from the stem. I did not throw them away. I just planted them inside the soil. Okay, as you can see, the roots have started coming because it's a bit old, but I will not throw them. Okay, in this one it hasn't started coming yet. It's very rare root hairs that I can see, but I will not throw it because succulents, guess what? Even if you plant them straight like this in the soil, you do not need any rooting hormone, you don't need any honey, you do not need anything, absolutely nothing. Just plant this inside the soil and keep it in shade. Don't keep it in sunlight, and just sprinkle some water. Job done. You have a brand new Kalanchoe ready. Okay, now what I will do is, this is from a white Kalanchoe plant. What I'll do is this is my red Kalanchoe. I need a mature leaf. Don't take a new one, otherwise it will not happen. I have soil with me. Let me plant it. Okay. Job done. Can gardening be any easier than this? Okay. No fertilizer, nothing is required for succulents. Okay, so if you're watching videos where if you're being told that give this fertilizer, that fertilizer, and this dung and whatnot, guess what? You don't need anything. Trust me, my Kalanchoe has given so many flowers. There is absolutely zero fertilizer. Simple soil from my garden and Kalanchoe is here in front of you. And I don't expect any more blooms than this because this is enough for my room to look good, okay? So yes, I will keep it right over here so that it's happy, it's getting some light. I will not keep it somewhere here hidden because it's dark. Now, this is a brand new leaf, okay? So I won't keep it in the sunlight. I will just keep it in shade. See, the job is done, and now I'm just gonna put it over here and it's done. Okay, so it's a very easy plant. Again, one of my favorite plants because nothing to do. I mean, it's just lying there and I just don't have to take much care of it. So I hope you liked the video. It's a very easy plant. Try it out, keep it inside your house. Even if you're going to the nursery or anywhere else, just pluck one leaf if you don't want to spend money, and yeah, you can grow it and be happy. And looking forward to make more videos. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get more and more videos, latest updates about every video that I upload. Thank you so much.